Today is a day I will never forget. Standing here, holding this certificate, I am overwhelmed with gratitude, joy, and a deep sense of belonging. I came to this country with dreams in my heart and hope for a better future. Becoming a U.S. citizen isn't just about earning a piece of paper. It's about embracing a new identity while honoring where I came from. To my fellow immigrants, never stop believing in your journey. The path may be hard, but every step is worth it. Every challenge shapes you into who you are meant to be.
¿Sabes si ya pasó por seguridad? Porque yo apenas llegué ahorita. Esa la salí, pero aquí la fila para que... This is the line to go through security. There's everybody at my citizenship ceremony. I literally got here on time at 12:30. And this line apparently is the one to go through security. And so here we are.
I'm guessing they'll probably tell family to wait outside. That's what everyone's doing, I think.
We'll find out. Not anymore. You were? Because I talked to that lady and she told me that she literally just got hit. Yeah, this is going on YouTube, Michaela. Oh, it is? I have to put it on YouTube.
At this point, I had already gone through security and was at the ceremony oath room where it was going to take place. They told us not to record, that's why I didn't continue recording. That special moment needed to be private just within the people making the oath, so we had to turn our phones on Do Not Disturb.
See, Mom?
Turn the opposite way.
Too late for that.
I do! He's like, you guys were the loudest. We were 150 in the room.
Oh, well.
And he said to say it as loud as we could, I do. Whenever he said the whole, long list.
Mm-hmm.
And then we had to scream at the top of the lungs.
Yeah, I think when we were in there the last
Papa Caio can come see you.
Over here. Why did you want to take a picture with me?
Ilog.
I was literally one of the last ones, wasn't I?
Yes.
They do it in order that we got.
Yeah. I do. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America.
To this beautiful country I now call mine, where my children were born, thank you. Thank you for the opportunities, the freedom, and the chance to contribute to something greater than myself. I promise to honor this privilege, to give back, and to carry the values that make America a land of hope and possibility. Greater is He who is in me than he who is in the world. With faith, resilience, and gratitude, anything is possible. To my family, my friends, and every immigrant chasing a dream, this is for us. This is for the future we believe in. From Guatemala to the United States, today I am proud to say I am an American citizen.